Welcome to video number 27 in our Violin Basics series. In this video we're going to learn our last basic note on the D string. So the next note we're going to learn is on the D string. So we have to find our open E, open A, and open D string. We've already learned in the last video our pointer finger on the D string is the note E. Our second finger on the second tape on the D string is the note F sharp. And now we're going to take our ring finger, our third finger, on the same string on the D string on the note G. Alright, in order to practice this, we can practice taking three fingers, tapping them on the body of the instrument, tapping them on our arm, tapping them on the scroll, tapping them on the neck, and then finally finding the exact right spot on the D string so we can tap all three of our fingers down on the D string. When we found it, that's the note G, we can pluck the D string with all three fingers down on the dots. And that forms the note G. We can take up our fingers, and that forms the note D. Back and forth. When we've got it, we can add in the bow. We can play 4 Gs. Lift. And then we can get going faster. If we've really got it, we can also start adding in the other notes on the D string along with the G's. So the hardest one to start with is when we go from the note G, which is 3 fingers, down to the note F sharp, which is only 2 fingers. So in order to do that, we have to practice tapping only our ring finger. Our pointer finger and our middle finger stay in place, and then we tap only our ring finger. You can do that on your arm, you can do that on your hand, you can do that anywhere, on the instrument, on the neck, and then we've got to work it out so that our fingers are on the D string and we're tapping only our ring finger. Now, it's something to point out, when you have these fingers, there's a space that happens right between our pointer finger and our second finger. That's a whole step, and then we have a small space between our ring finger and our middle finger. They shouldn't all look the same. When we're doing this basic fingering pattern, we want to have the ring finger and the middle finger hugging each other right there on the string. That third finger note, D, E, F sharp, G, is the note G on the D string.